2D game using Google AI Studios. So let me pop into my web browser and show you how it's done. So here it is, and it's Google AI Studios. There is couple of showcase apps which other folks have developed, and your apps will show up in this section below. And if you have developed something in the past, you can see that over here. Now, the other thing that you need to kind of check out when you're building apps in like low code apps is that you need to know what you can import. Now, if you're someone who's serious about developing something, you need to know which you can, reuse the code that you have already generated. So, as far as I can tell, they let you upload images and upload PDF, but you can't connect to any repository or paste code. So that's something that I would want if I'm starting to develop something on my own, but it's not there. But yeah, but still in the beta state, so I'm guessing Google will probably build that later on. So this is my prompt. So I've already gone ahead and done it, created a prompt because just to save up on time. So I'm gonna send it to the Google AI. Let's see, it starts the build process. So what's this prompt about, or what am I trying to build? This game is where let's say three cars are there, A, B, C. Car A moves from left to right, car B moves from right to left, and the third car moves from the center of the screen to the top. And our aim is not to collide with the both the cars that are moving on either side. So and you will lose points if you collide with the cars, and if you manage to get across the road without colliding with it, then you gain points. And three times in a row if you collide, then you lose the game. So that's the whole idea about what it is. So let's see how Google develops it. From what I can tell is it is using TypeScript as a way to develop the whole game. uh, let's see, we'll take a review once it's developed. For now I'm just pausing the screen so that you guys can this will just waste time. So I'm gonna pause the recording for now, and when the game is developed I'll start again. Done creating the game. Let's test it. Though I don't like the way the car moves, it's weird. So this is the one shot that I did. Now I have tried writing the same prompt over like three times. Each time the same prompt gave me different results on the screen. Now I'm telling same prompt. Now I'm not talking about creating new prompts. Normally you can say the prompt is not designed properly, but each prompt, even though it was the same, it gave me different results. Now these are all blocks that are moving, so it's not that great, but let me try to just change the, the way the car moves. So I'm gonna say car A and car B should move across the screen into left to right or to left, but shouldn't move back. Now, this might not be the best prompt, but let's see how it fixes that error. I'm seeing if you can which model it uses to create it. Now it says code assistant, hide code editor, hide preview, settings, server auto save. funny, it doesn't show which model it uses. Can't see it over here on the screen at least, but maybe you can see it in section studio. So the thing is, I can't move away from the screen because the moment I move away, it's gonna, I'm gonna lose all the work that I've already done. So close file, create new file, So next action would be, let's say if you're considering developing it like full time, you would want to add images as these cars because these are blocks. It really doesn't look that good from a UI perspective. But yeah, since it's beta, you can go with it. So it's doing some changes. Let's see how it gives the results. It's gonna take a while, so I'm gonna pause the video again. Once it's done, I'm gonna show you what it changed. So it completed the change. I'm gonna test out to see how it works. No, nope. Still moving back. I'm not satisfied with the result, but I'm just gonna stop for now. I'm gonna try to deploy or download the app. So I clicked on download the app, so it's downloading it to my base machine. That's cool. And let's see what share the app does. Do you want to save? Yes. Okay, sharing your app. It's code when you're able to see all source code, ensure that all your API code does not contain sensitive images. The API is okay. Okay, let's go. Right. So I think it's using my Google Drive to share it, which right, I'm gonna pause it for now and probably decide which drive I can give access to folks for them to just check out what it's built.